Growth responses in plants. 1. How do plants adjust to changing environmental conditions? Plants adjust through growth, regulated by plant hormones that induce cell division, enlargement, or maturation. 2. What are plant hormones and their role? Plant hormones, or growth regulators, are chemicals that coordinate plant growth by moving from their synthesis site to action site. 3. Name the 5 major types of plant growth regulators. A. Auxins. B. Gibberellins. C. Cytokinins. D. Abscisic acid. A. Ethene. Plant growth regulators. 4. Which growth regulators are called growth promoters? Auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins. 5. Which growth regulators are growth inhibitors? Abscisic acid and ethene. Auxins. 6. What is the primary auxin in plants? Indole 3-acetic acid, IAA. 7. Where are auxins synthesized? In shoot tips, leaf primordia, young leaves, embryos, and developing flowers and seeds. 8. State one major function of auxins. Promotion of cell elongation. Gibberellins. 9. How many gibberellins have been identified? Over 75, named as GA1, GA2, etc. 10. What is the most common gibberellin? Gibberellic acid 3, GA3. 11. What is the role of gibberellins in seeds and shoots? They promote stem elongation by stimulating cell division and elongation. Cytokinins. 12. What is the most active natural cytokinin? Zeatine. 13. Where are cytokinins found in plants? In root tips, seeds, fruits, and leaves. 14. What is the primary role of cytokinins? Promotion of cell division, cytokinesis. Abscisic acid. 15. When is abscisic acid synthesized? During stress situations. 16. What is the primary effect of ABA? Inhibition of cell growth and promotion of dormancy in seeds. 17. How does ABA help during water stress? It causes stomata to close. Ethylene, ethene. 18. What is the role of ethylene in plants? It stimulates fruit ripening and initiates the abscission of fruits and leaves. 19. In which form does ethylene exist? As a gaseous hydrocarbon. Growth movements in plants. 20. What are tropic movements in plants? Movements towards or away from external stimuli like light, gravity, touch, or chemicals. Phototropism. 21. What is phototropism? Movement of plant parts towards, positive, or away, negative, from light. 22. How do shoots and roots respond to phototropism? Shoots show positive phototropism, roots show negative phototropism. Geotropism. 23. What is geotropism? Movement of plant parts towards, positive, or away, negative, from gravity. 24. How do shoots and roots respond to geotropism? Shoots show negative geotropism, roots show positive geotropism. Thigmotropism. 25. What is thigmotropism? Movement in response to touch stimulus, seen in climbing plants. Chemotropism. 26. What is chemotropism? Movement of plant parts in response to chemical stimuli, e.g., fungal hyphae growing towards nutrients. Photoperiodism. 27. What is photoperiod? The total duration of light in a day. 28. What is photoperiodism? The effect of photoperiod on flowering and transformation of vegetative buds into floral buds. Classification of plants based on photoperiodism. 29. Name the 3 types of plants based on photoperiodism. Short day plants, long day plants, and day neutral plants. 30. Give an example of a short day plant. Tobacco. 31. Give an example of a long day plant. Spinach. 32. Give an example of a day neutral plant. Tomato. Concept of critical photoperiod. 33. What is the critical photoperiod for short day plants? The maximum length of daylight required to induce flowering, e.g., 14 hours for tobacco. 34. What is the critical photoperiod for long day plants? The minimum length of daylight required to induce flowering, e.g., 11 hours for henbane. Phytochromes. 35. What are phytochromes? Blue-green pigments that act as photoreceptors for photoperiodism. 36. Name the two forms of phytochromes. PR P660 and PFR P730. 37. How do phytochromes help plants distinguish between day and night? By interconverting between PR and PFR forms depending on light conditions. 38. Which form of phytochrome promotes flowering in short day plants? PR P660. 39. Which form of phytochrome promotes flowering in long day plants? PFR P730.